Good day everybody. We've been given this question. Now foremost, what I wish to do, I would like to distribute the terms. So this is going to be negative 2 pi to 2 pi cos into sine. You have a negative sign, so I'm going to rewrite this as cos 3x sine 2019x positive. Cos 3x into cos 3x is cos squared 3x, and then you have a negative sine 2x sine 2019x and followed by sine 2x cos 3x multiplied with dx. Now this is, I'm going to distribute dx throughout, so it's going to be negative 2 pi to 2 pi negative cos 3x sine 2019x times dx positive negative 2 pi to 2 pi cos squared of 3x dx negative 2 pi with a negative sign to 2 pi sine 2x sine 2019x dx positive negative 2 pi to 2 pi sine 2x and cos 3x times the dx. Okay, fair enough. Now let me solve this first. Now this is similar to sine A cos B, which is equal to half times sine of A positive B followed by positive sine and sine of A negative B. Okay, so using this I can rewrite, I'm going to rewrite this as sine 2019x times cos 3x. This is equal to 1 over 2 times sine of 2019 positive 3 times x positive sine of 2019 negative 3 times x. So this is equal to 1 over 2 times sine 2022x positive sine 2016x. So in place of this I'm going to substitute this. Okay, so let me consider this. So therefore integral negative 2 pi to 2 pi, I'm writing it as sine 2019x times cos 3x times dx with a negative sign is equal to, you can take the negative sign out, negative 2 pi to 2 pi 1 over 2, place the 1 over 2 and substitute this. This is sine 2022x positive 20 positive sine 2016x times the dx. Okay, now if you want you can integrate this, but I think I will just retain it as it is. Now let me write this properly. So negative 1 over 2 times integral negative 2 pi to 2 pi sine 2022x times dx positive integral 2 pi to 2 pi sine 2016x times dx. Okay, this is what we have got. Now as I mentioned to you, I am actually anticipating some cancellation over here. Okay, I'm anticipating, but I'm not sure if I'm going to get it. Okay. So in anticipation I will just retain as it is. Now this is easy to integrate, so this one can now be considered because it's of the form sine A cos B. So I'm going to utilize the same formula. Also sine 2x times cos 3x is going to be equal to 1 over 2 times sine of 2x positive 3x, that's going to be sine 5x followed by positive sine of 2x negative 3x, that's going to be sine of negative x. Sine is odd function, so this can be rewritten as sine 5x negative sine x. So therefore integral negative 2 pi to 2 pi sine 2x times cos 3x dx is equal to integral negative 2 pi to 2 pi 1 over 2, I place it outside, so it's going to be sine 5x dx, negative integral negative 2 pi to 2 pi sine x dx. So this is this next part. Okay, so we have done with this. Now we need to also evaluate this. Now there is a formula: sine A sine B is equal to 1 over 2 times cos of A minus B negative cos of A positive B. Okay, so if you had to expand this, you would get cos A cos B followed by a positive sin A sin B. Over here you are getting negative, so that would produce us the sin A sin B. So therefore sin 2x of sin 209x, let me write that. Therefore sin 2x times sin 2019x is equal to 1 over 2 times, this is cos of 2 negative 2019, that's going to be negative 2017 times x, negative cos of 2 positive 2019, that's going to be 2021 x. Now cos is an even function, so you can rewrite this as cos of 2017x negative cos of 2021x. Now I need to go for a new sheet of paper. Okay, so let me get that. So now in place of this quantity, I have to place the quantity over here. So let me place the negative sign. So this is equal to this. So the first quantity is got. So let me place that. This is equal to negative 1 over 2 integral negative 2 pi to 2 pi sine 2022x dx followed by positive negative 2 pi to 2 pi sine 2016 times dx. And you have this quantity, right? You're able to see that. So I will just retain it as it is, positive negative 2 pi to 2 pi cos squared 3x dx followed by negative this quantity, right? So that's going to be negative 1 over 2 can be taken out. So cos 2017x dx followed by negative integral cos 2021x dx. Okay, that's the second quantity. Now you have the last quantity. So let me show that this is the quantity we need to place. So that's sine of 2x 3x. That's going to be this. Okay, you're able to watch it. So followed by 1 over 2 times integral sine 5x times the dx. So let me write that off like this. Okay, now I need to split it and see what I'm getting. I don't think I can cancel anything. Nothing is getting cancelled, so you have to integrate this. So this is going to be negative 1 over 2 integral. Now sine will give me negative, so it's going to be cos of 2022 x, coefficient of x is 2022. Okay, that's the first thing, followed by, now you have the limits of negative 2 pi to positive 2 pi. So I can just place it like that, followed by positive, this is going to give me a negative sign. So negative cos of 2016 x divided by 2016, and the limits are negative 2 pi to 2 pi. Let me integrate this a bit later. So negative 2 pi to 2 pi cos squared 3x dx. Now integral of this is going to give me negative 1 over 2. Integral of cos will produce me sine. So it's going to be sine 2017x divided by 2017, and the limits are negative 2 pi to 2 pi. I know this will get vanished, right, because of the limits 2 pi to 2 pi. So negative 2 pi to 2 pi, all of this it will produce me sine, so this term will get vanished, so no need to write that down, so I'll just cancel it. Now followed by plus 1 over 2 integral of sine 5x. So integral of sine 5x will give me cos 5x divided by 5. The limits are negative 2 pi to 2 pi, and this is going to give me negative cos x. The integral of sine x will give me a negative, so that will make this as positive, so there will be a negative sign for this. So divided by coefficient of x is 1. The limits are negative 2 pi to 2 pi. Okay, so we need to substitute the limits. Cos of 2 pi will give me 1. Cos of 2 pi will give me 1. And the cos of negative 2 pi will also give me 1. Okay, so this, let me evaluate this, is going to be negative 1 over 2. I have a negative sign. I substitute the upper limit. Upper limit will produce me 1. There's a denominator there, so 2022, and minus the lower limit will also produce me 1, so it's going to be negative 1 over 2022. So this story is done. Now over here you have a negative sign, so apparently you see this is going to be negative of, I'm taking the negative sign out. Okay, so there is a 1 over 2 that's coming out, so this is going to be producing me a 1 over 2016, and followed by this is also going to be producing me 1 over 2016. Okay, so this is gone. So apparently what are we left with? We are left with negative 2 pi to 2 pi cos squared of 3x dx. Okay, I'm going to integrate this within a minute. Let me settle this off. So this is going to be 10 pi, right? So that's producing me a 1, and again there will be a 1 over here, so this is off. Cos 2 pi and negative cos of negative 2 pi, this is also off. So ultimately we are left with only integrating cos squared x. Now we know that cos squared x is 1 positive cos 2x divided by 2. So therefore cos squared 3x is 1 positive cos 6x divided by 2. So you substitute that over there. So this is going to be negative 2 pi to 2 pi 1 positive cos 6x divided by 2 times dx. I take 1 over 2 out, so this is negative 2 pi to 2 pi, and dx followed by negative 2 pi to 2 pi cos 6x times dx. So this is 1 over 2 times, I substitute this, I'm going to get x here, so it's 2 pi negative of negative 2 pi, okay, for the first part, followed by cos will produce me sine, so this will be off, so this alone remains. So this is going to be 1 over 2 times 2 pi positive 2 pi, that is going to be 4 pi divided by 2. 2 cancels here 2 times, so it's going to be 2 pi square units. So that's going to be the solution for this beautiful question. This question looks so much innocent, but you see the working that has to be done.